Hi everyone, this is Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Crypto Week. Today we have a guest with us. He is Krishna Vamsi. He is a content marketer and he's also a crypto enthusiast. So nowadays we all heavily talking about NFTs. So today, instead of I can say having me taking a lecture on NFTs, I thought a person who is more involved in this space, if they give some insights on this, then it would be a better. So that is the reason why I have brought Krishna Vamsi in this show today. So Krishna Vamsi is active in this space since years. So I thought this session would be more helpful to you if you want to explore more about NFTs. Hi Krishna Vamsi, how are you?
Hi Yashwanth. I'm doing good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So first of all, thank you for accepting my invite and being a part of this episode.
Thank you. Yeah.
So for what according to you is an NFT. So if we search in the internet about NFTs, we will find many definitions and some are confusing and some are over technical. So we want to hear from you in a simplified way, what is an NFT?
So basically NFT to explain the abbreviation non-fungible token. So what is non-fungible and fungible? So fungible is something, so if you, for example, you have a 10 rupees note and I have a 10 rupees note. So if we exchange it, the value doesn't change. It is the same value wherever you purchase it or whatever you do with that.
Yeah.
But at the same time, non-fungible is where you will have only one piece of it. Like you will have only one specific type of material or art or a type of material, which value stays with that only. That there won't be any replacement for that.
Okay.
So you won't be able to get a replica of that. Even if you get it, it's a copy. It's not the original one.
Yeah.
Its uniqueness is what refers to non-fungible token.
Okay.
So if you are not aware what token, it's like a similarly to a digital validation that is available on blockchain. Like whatever the token you have, you will be able to verify it on the. It's a digital source of verification that you can get for your piece of NFT.
Okay, cool. That's straightforward.
Yeah.
And like while talking about NFTs, mostly people in the crypto space talks about NFTs. So what do you think the relation between cryptocurrencies and NFTs?
So you see, like right from the beginning of the Bitcoin, there are a lot of coins evolved. Like around there are some almost 6,000 cryptocurrencies and all. Yeah. So it's not just NFTs or cryptocurrencies. It's all base of the blockchain. Blockchain is the base for all these evolution. Right. Okay. Even Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these are use cases of blockchain. Right.
Yes.
Similarly, NFTs are also one of the use cases of blockchain.
Okay.
And there's nothing but something different from crypto or something. It's like a use cases of the same technology. Yeah. Okay. Obviously, being in a crypto space and NFTs are related to being linked with these all digital currencies. So all the attraction or investments are being done. First adoption is being done by the crypto space.
Yeah.
That's where you might find this close relation between both of them. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, I mean, as you said clearly, like NFTs are one of the applications of blockchain technology, but like blockchain, I mean, the name blockchain and blockchain technology, I mean, comes into existence, or I can say it is popular from 2009 to 2010 at that time.
Yeah.
But why NFTs are, I can suddenly getting hype? I mean, it is not that NFTs are popular from 2010. So according to my knowledge, like from the past 6 to 7 months, NFTs are getting overhyped. So why do you think the reason behind this sudden hype?
So there's NFTs are not something that is new for the crypto space. But for a layman, it's obviously a new thing because it's all started from 2013 itself. It's started from colored Bitcoins, and then crypto kitties, crypto punks, and then in 2014 and 17, I think. And now 2018 and 19 stood as a calm period wherein there's no much noise about that. But then slowly in the background, the work happened. There is research or development of a new NFTs, evolution of a new type of NFTs. Everything happened in between these 2 years. But then recently in 2020, and you had heard about NBA's top clip, LeBron. Yeah, like that top clip getting sold for a hoping amount of some $400K, right? Something around that. So that's where again it triggered everyone towards NFTs.
Yeah.
So that's the moment. Again, at the same time, the crypto boom also added to this. So you must have seen it touched around 60K.
Yes.
Bitcoin. Yeah. So that's the two main reasons triggering again. It's not the new trend for NFTs. It's already began long back in 2013, but just picking up the pace now. That's it.
Yeah, even like according to me, Gary Vee started VeeFriends, and that actually
a lot of
because many of his followers to sell and buy NFTs.
Yes.
Cool. So what are the different types of NFTs actually? So I mean, I know like digital arts can be sold as NFTs, and some collectibles we can also treat them as NFTs, and some stickers and JPGs. So what do you think are different types of NFTs that are possible?
So same thing as you said, like that can even a meme can be an NFT, a collectibles, artwork. Like you did something in an art and kept converted digitally, and you can place it for sale. Whatever it is, if you think that is unique and that can gain some value out of in the market, then you can obviously put it out in the marketplaces out there. If you are lucky enough, you might get somebody might purchase it. Somebody feels worst and somebody feels good. You will never know.
Yeah. Cool.
Even domain names, the real world assets also can be sold as NFTs. Even gaming, virtual items, music and media, all those items. So list is endless. I mean, still in an evolving space. Whatever has been there now, it's picking up pace, and then new things are being added continuously.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, while discussing about this, like one might get some doubt, like how actually this NFT trading works. I mean, how one can actually earn money by, putting their art or putting their resource as an NFT.
See, like there is one simple phenomena there, like people, right? People, an artist who made 5,000 days of art. Each day he used to post an image, and he collaged all the images all the images of the past 5,000 days, and he sold it for some $60 million. I'm not sure about the number. Yeah, it's the highest up till the date.
Okay.
Which an NFT. So there are two use cases of two or three maybe. See, you can, in this evolving DeFi space, you can place this NFT as a collateral, and you can get a loan or borrowing from that. And again, so if you let the users use it for free and download, share everything, so that's how you increase your value of the NFT, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So that the demand is being increased, the usage. See, if you 1 billion people using your NFT for free.
Yeah.
So there is a lot of awareness, and there is somebody might think, okay, what if I own it? It's like increasing your value through increasing the spread and awareness.
Yes.
Right. So once you may again sell it back, and you may again sell back for more amount, obviously.
Okay.
That's one thing you can do. Trading is nothing, actually selling and so it's increasing your value of your NFT and then selling it back for more amount. That's one case, and then placing it as a collateral and getting loans from the marketplaces out there in DeFi space.
Even like we get fee for every resale, right? For every resale of our NFT.
Yeah, there is a lot of resales happening, like CryptoPunks and CryptoKitties. Like they'll have around 10,000 set of images or icons.
Okay. So
24 by 24 pixel size. So each of that can be resold again. So if you bought one sticker or one CryptoPunk, then if you think if you wanna, there's more demand out for that, you can place it for auction. Then it's how your luck again.
Okay, so in general, like I use MetaMask on OpenSea, for this complete NFT thing. So what do you think are some different platforms where we can buy and sell NFTs?
Yeah, there are a lot, like OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare. Like top three could be this: OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare. Okay. Other public auction houses are also there. Christie's is one of the popular auction houses that sold this people's art. Christie's, and there are like you'll have antique pieces where they will have it with them, and then or somebody approaches them, they will hold the auction. and then they will be giving it to the whoever bids high. Those are public auction houses of arts and collectibles. So those there also you can place your NFTs for auction. Yeah,
Okay.
not just digital platforms.
Great.
Okay, even those are also being converted into online stores. Even auction has happening there too. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks Vamsi. Like we have got to know about many things regarding NFT. And for people who are watching this, and if you want to know more about NFTs, you can also contact Vamsi here. So I will drop his LinkedIn profile in the description. Also, like you can check out my OpenSea collection NFT garage. You can find the link in the description too. So thanks Vamsi. Thanks again for coming into this video and sharing your knowledge on NFTs. I hope this really helps to the people who are watching this.
Thank you, Yaswanth. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah, you can also check out all other episodes of Crypto Week, so you can find all the links in the description. And if you like this and if you find it insightful, please share this video in your network and let others know about this evolving cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Thank you.